You are now tuned into the amazing, the incredible, the one and only Johnny Crypto.
Hello, Johnny Crypto here, bringing you another exciting video. Today I am going over the Exodus wallet, EOS, mainnet, private key export tutorial. And that is what I'll be doing right now with you. As you can see, I've got EOS here loaded up. First, you'll want to go to the main menu and you'll click on Exodus. Now you're going to select Developer. Then you're going to find Assets. Now you go down and you find EOS mainnet. There you go. And if you see that second option, Export Private Keys, go ahead and click on that, because until you export your private keys and use an EOS wallet, you're not going to be able to access your EOS on the mainnet. These are just ERC20 tokens right now. These are gone. I've already whisked them away. So go ahead, click on Export Private Keys. Then you're going to get this message. It's going to say, are you sure? Are you sure you want to export your private keys for EOS? Remember to keep your private keys safe, and I'll double that. You have to keep those keys safe. Go ahead and click I'm sure. Great. As you can see, they've been exported to my desktop here. So if I go to my desktop, I will be able to open up this CSV file that says warning has private keys and get my private key. Okay, it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching Johnny Crypto, and I'll see you in the next video.
You are now tuned into the amazing, the incredible, the one and only Johnny Crypto.